Hi students, now 6 essay questions. 17th problem. A 2 1, B 5 2 and C 3 4 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. D E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Show that DE is parallel to BC and we have to show DE is half of BC. First you have to draw a triangle ABC. We will draw a triangle ABC. A, B, C. First we have to draw a triangle ABC and A is 2 1, B is 5 2 and C is 3 4. Now DE are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. DE is the midpoint of AB. You take this is the midpoint D and E is the midpoint of AC. First we will show DE is parallel to BC. First join. What do I have to do? We have to join. What is the construction? Join D E. D comma E. Now we have to show DE is parallel to BC. First we will take A. DE is parallel to BC. How can we show DE is parallel to BC? Slope of DE and slope of BC are equal to each other. Slope of DE must be equal to slope of BC. Implies we can show DE is parallel to BC. First what I have to do? D is the midpoint. First we have to find the midpoint of A and B. What is the formula you have? Midpoint. You write midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Using this formula we have to find midpoint. x1 y1 x2 y2. 2 plus 5 by 2 7 by 2 comma 2 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2. What is the midpoint of AB? D 7 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Now we have to find the midpoint of AC. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 means 5 by 2 comma. Next 1 plus 4 by 2, that also 5 by 2. Now we have to find the slope of DE and the slope of BC. First we will find the slope of DE. What is the slope? Tan theta. What is the slope? It is denoted by M. That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You take x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y1. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 divided by x2 minus x1. This is x2 and this is x1. 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. We will simplify afterwards. Slope of BC. What is the slope of BC? x1 y1 x2 y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Now 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 means you 2 by 2 and divided by. Next you take LCM 2. 5 minus 7. You close the bracket and is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Now 2 to cancel, you will get 1. 1 by 5 minus 7 minus 2 by 2 means you will get minus 1. 2 cancel, you will get, here also you will get 1 by minus 1 implies this is minus 1 and also this is minus 1. These are equal to each other. We have showed slope of DE is equal to slope of BC, as we got slopes of these two lines are equal to each other. You take this as M1. What is M1? Minus 1. M2 is also minus 1. Slopes are equal. Then they are parallel to each other. DE is parallel to BC. Slopes are equal. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. Now, next what we have to show? DE is equal to half of BC. We have to show the length of DE is half of the length of BC. That we have to show. We have to find the distance between DE and also we have to find the distance between BC so that we will get DE is half of BC. Now we have to show B. DE is half of BC. Now for this one, DE means length, distance between D and E. We know distance formula. DE. What is the distance formula? We have to use distance formula. Distance between 2 points. What are the points? x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the formula we have? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to use this formula and find the distance between D and E and also B and C. We have to show DE, the distance between D and E must be equal to half of the distance between B and C. DE is equal to half of BC. First we will find out the distance between D and E. DE is equal to, we know the formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square. Means this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square means 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. First we will find out the distance between D and E. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. You take LCM, you will get 5 minus 7 whole square plus you take LCM, 2 you will get numerator, you will get 5 minus 3 whole square. Square root of 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 means minus 2. Minus 2 by 2. You will get minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 3 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 square means 1. You will get root 2. DE you got root 2 units. Distance, this is distance no? That's why DE you got root 2 means 1.414 units you got. Now we have to find BC. We have to show DE is half of BC. BC should be bigger. BC, we have to find the distance between B and C. What is the formula we have? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square. Square root of 3 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 4 minus 2 whole square. Square root of 3 minus 5 means minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square, plus 4 minus 2 means 2 whole square, means 2 square. Minus 2 square means 4, plus 2 square means 4. 4 plus 4. You will get root 8 means 2 root 2. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root 4 into root 2. Root 4 means 2. Root 2 means root 2 only. Now you got DE, you got root 2 units, and whereas BC you got 2 root 2. See, BC is 2 times DE. You got BC is equal to 2 into DE. DE. DE is equal to half of BC. Like that you should remember. DE is parallel to BC and D is half of BC if they are midpoints. What is the 18th problem? If the points P minus 3, 9, Q, A, B and R 4 minus 5 are collinear. They are collinear points, means they are on the same straight line. A plus B is equal to 1. Then find the values of A and B. Collinear points means they are on the same straight line. The area of the triangle formed by these points is 0. Area of the triangle formed by these points is 0. How they are collinear? Just already I told you. See, the area of the triangle, you say 5 square units. If you take this one, 3 square units. If you take this one, you take 2 square units. If you take this 1 square unit. If you take this one, the area formed by PQR will be 0. Delta is equal to 0. The area of PQR is 0. Area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3. See, 1, 2, 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. You should remember this one. PQ are collinear points. That's why area of the triangle formed by PQR is 0. 0 is equal to half into. The area of the triangle formed by PQR is 0 because they are collinear points. What is P here? Minus 3, 9, Q, AB and R is 4 minus 5. Now, area formed by PQR is 0. Half into. What is x1, you take x1, y1, x2, y2 and this is x3, y3. Now, substitute x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in this equation. Half into. What is x1 here? Minus 3 into y2 minus y3. B minus of minus 5 plus x2. What is x2 here? A into y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus 9 minus 5 minus 9 plus what is x3? What is x3? 4. 4 into y1 minus y2 y minus b. Now 0 is equal to, you take this 0 and half into minus 3 into b plus 5 plus a into minus 14 plus 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36 minus 4b Now 0 is equal to half of minus 3b minus 15 minus 14a plus 36 minus 4b. Given one condition, a plus b is equal to 1. Now substitute b is equal to 1 minus a. Substitute b is equal to 1 minus a in this equation so that you will get the value of a. If you know the value of a, substitute the value of a here, you will get the value of b. Half into minus 3 into, what is the value of b? 1 minus a. Minus 15 minus 14a plus 36 minus 4 into b. b means 1 minus a. Now I will write this one. Half into minus 3 plus 3a. Minus 3 plus 3a minus 15 minus 14a plus 36 minus 4 plus 36 minus 4 plus 4a. Now half into, now we have to simplify. 3a plus 3a minus 14a minus 11a minus 11a plus 4 minus 7a. Now minus 3 minus 15 minus 18 minus 18 minus 4 minus 22 minus 22 plus 36 plus 14. Square units you have to write. Now 2 into 0, 0 is equal to minus 7a plus 14 square units. Now you will, now it can be done like this. Minus 7a is equal to minus 14. Minus minus cancel. You will get a is equal to 14 by 7 is equal to 2. The value of a is 2. Now you got the value of a. Now you can find the value of b. b is equal to 1 minus a. 1 minus, what is the value of a? 2. As you got a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. Here you have proof. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. RHS you got. As the value of a is 2, the value of b is minus 1. If you add these two, you are getting 1 here. And this is LHS. If you take LHS, you got RHS. Now the value of a is 2 and the value of b is minus 1. Like this you have to do. Collinear points means you have to take area of the triangle is 0. Actually you have to write square units here. Square units. Square units. Square units. Here also write square units. You got the answer. A is equal to and b is equal to minus 1. You can check whether our answer is true or false. You take LHS. 2 plus minus 1. 2 minus 1 you will get 1. That is RHS. Like that you have to find the values of a and b. Now 19th problem. The point P47, QX3 and R73 are the vertices of right angle triangle. Right angle at Q. Find the value of x. First you draw a right angle triangle. Right angle at Q means this is P, Q, R. P is 4, 7, Q is x 3, R is 7, 3. He has given vertex of a triangle and it is a right angle triangle. Right angle at Q. This is a right angle triangle, 90 degrees. If you see a right angle triangle, we should remember Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite side. If you take, this is theta and this is adjacent side. Pythagoras theorem is square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, means opposite side square plus adjacent side square. What is hypotenuse here? PR. PR square is equal to, what is opposite side square? PQ square plus, what is adjacent side? QR square. This is Pythagoras theorem. PR is the distance between these 2 points. To take PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now, first you have to find the distance between PR. What is PR? First you find PR. You know the distance between 2 points. What is the distance between 2 points formula? If x1, y1, x2, y2 are given, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First you write the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will find out PR, x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square, 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus 7 whole square. You will get PR is equal to square root of 7 minus 4 means 3 square. 3 square means 9 plus 3 minus 7 whole square means minus 4 whole square means 16. 9 plus 16, 25 is equal to PR is equal to root 25. Then PR square is equal to 25. We got PR square is equal to 25. Now we will find out PQ square. First we will find out PQ. PQ, the distance between P and Q. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. Now we will find out the distance between P and Q. x2 minus x1 whole square means x minus square root of x minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus 7 whole square is equal to square root of x minus 4 whole square means we have to write in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 16 minus 2ab. 2 into x into 4. 4 2s are 8x. Next plus 3 minus 7 whole square. Minus 4 whole square means 16. You will get x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 16 plus 32. Now we will find out QR. Square root of QR x1 y1 x2 y2, 7 minus x whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square, square root of, now 7 minus x whole square, a minus b whole square. A square means 49 plus x square minus is there, no? 7 2s are 14x. Now plus 3 minus 3 0. 0 square means 0. Keep as it is. Implies. Now QR is equal to root of 49 plus x square minus 14x. Now QR square. This is PQ square. This is PQ square. Now QR square. We have to remove root. 49 plus x square minus 14x. Now you have PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now you take this formula. What is PR square? PR square is 25. PR square means 25 is equal to PQ square. X square minus 8x plus 32. Next, plus QR square means 49 plus x square minus 14x. Now, x square plus x square minus 8x minus 14x. Now, constants plus 32 plus 49 minus 25 is equal to 0. Now, you will get a quadratic equation. X square plus x square, 2x square minus 8x minus 14x minus 22x plus 56 is equal to 0. You got a quadratic equation. You take 2 common, you will get quadratic equation. You will get quadratic equation. You will get x square minus 11x plus 28 is equal to 0. Now you take 28 means 7 4s are 28. X square minus 7x minus 4x plus 28 is equal to 0. If you add, you will get minus 11x. If you multiply, you will get 28x square minus 7x into minus 4x. You will get 28x square. Like that you have to take. Now, I will do with red pen. It is very easy for you. You take these two and these two. You take x common. X minus 7 minus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. You will get, say, you take x minus 7 common, you will get x minus 7 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, what you got? X minus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. You got x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 7. You got two answers. Here 4, 3 you can write, and also you can write 7, 3. Two answers. 4 and 7. What is the value of x? 4 and 7. You take 4, 3 and 7, 3. First you take 4, 3. Find the distance between these 2 points. Say x2 minus x1 whole square minus 4 means square root of 4 minus 4 whole square means 0. 3 minus 7 whole square means 16. Root 16. Root 16 means you will get 4. You find the distance between these two. 7 minus 4 whole square. 3 square means 9. 3 minus 3, 0. Root 9 you got. This distance is 3. And you must get this distance, hypotenuse you should get 5. As I will do here. 7 minus 4 whole square means 9. 3 minus 4 whole square means 16. 16. You are getting root 25 is nothing but 5, as this distance is 4 and this distance is 3 and this side is 4 and this side is 3 and this side will be hypotenuse will be 5. Now you can check by Pythagoras theorem. You can check. Here you can check. PR square means 5 square means 25 is equal to PQ square means 4 square 16. QR square means you will get 3 square means 9. 25 LHS is equal to RHS. As our answer is true. That is 4. The value of x is 4. Similarly, you can try for 7. 7, 4, 7, 7, 3 and 7, 3. You can prove the Pythagoras theorem by two values of x, that is 4, 3 and 7, 3. We have to use Pythagoras theorem in this problem to find the value of x. In this problem, you have Pythagoras theorem, distance between 2 points and a quadratic equation in x. You have to solve the quadratic equation in x.